Hi guys, hello my wonderful people. Good morning, good afternoon, depending where you're watching me. If this is your first time of stopping by in my channel, you are welcome. I am Ijelewani Miri Udo, aka Nelly Choice. I'm from Ebonyi State, Nigeria, and that is where I live. In this my channel, I will be teaching you how life is being made easy with herbs, roots, and animal. Today's topic, I will be talking about hepatitis B, what it is, and how to get rid of it at the earlier stage. Before I go on, if you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, what are you waiting for? Subscribe to my YouTube channel and don't forget to turn on the notification bell so that anytime I upload any interesting video like this one, you will be the first to get notified. You will be the first to get notified. What is hepatitis B? I will be looking at where I jot it so that I won't make mistake and you'll understand what I'm trying to say. Hepatitis B is a potential life-threatening liver infection. This hepatitis B virus is a world mobile health problem. It's not just in Africa, it's not just in Nigeria, it's everywhere. It's a world health problem. And hepatitis B is being caused by untreated malaria, accumulated malaria, untreated malaria. That is how it's developed to hepatitis. Though we have hepatitis and we have hepatitis B. So, the symptoms of this hepatitis B is one, you have yellow skin and yellow eyes in form of jaundice. Jaundice is shortage of blood because the virus also causes shortage of blood. Dark urine, abdominal pains, nausea, like frequent visiting the toilet. If you visit the toilet frequently, you need to go for checkup to know all these symptoms. Though in some, they won't get any symptoms. These symptoms I talked about will occur for several weeks, like 3 weeks, non-stop. It will occur. So in order for it not to get to that extent, please treat malaria once a month or once in 2 months latest. These herbs I'm going to talk about now, I'm going to show you, I'm going to teach you. You will make use of these herbs when this illness is still at the earlier stage, when it has not affected your liver that much. When it has not affected your liver that much, I repeat. If it has affected your liver much, you don't need to do it. You don't need to take this remedy any longer. All you have to do is dialysis. Or you go for liver or kidney transplant, because it also, when it will get to a stage where it will affect your kidney and your liver. That is why you need to be treating malaria frequently. It also affects kids. Hepatitis B also affects kids. That is why if you're treating yourself, you're treating your kids too. Eji m okwu ọnụ na mmiri nakwa ihe niile dị ka Chukwu ji wee kee ya wee na-azọ ndụ. Yes, I'm a traditional prophetess. I deal with herbs. You know, our olden parents, they didn't make use of all this English medicine. I'm not trying to condemn anyone, but they lived longer. It's not that all this illness was not there. It was. I like using things in their raw form because Chukwu Okike, the Almighty Creator, has provided all we need. It's just for us to find out how to go about it, what to use to treat it. If you're taking care of your health physically, your health problem, also be taking care of yourself spiritually. Yes. All you will be needing in this remedy, what you will be needing is moringa leaf, stonebreaker leaf, lemongrass, and lime orange. You know what lime orange is, or you can use lemon orange. Then 5 liters of water. Wash all these herbs thoroughly, wash it very well with clean water. Add 5 liters of water and boil it for 20 minutes. Bring it down. When it's lukewarm, you drink it 1 glass, 1 in the morning before eating, and 1 in the night after eating, before bedtime, after eating. Do this for 7 days. Go back for checkup, and let's see how it's going to be. If you need any of my product or services, you know, most of people, they complain of herbal remedy that it doesn't have dosage. Mine have dosage. Anytime I give you any of my products, I give description on how to make use of it. It has. So if you need any of my products or services, like consultation, like I say, I'm also a spiritualist, like consultation or any kind of spiritual work at all, please contact me in my only WhatsApp number in the screen you are seeing. Don't call me, chat me, or drop voice note for me. I will see you in my next video. Thanks for stopping by. I love you guys.